Welcome to Sky Rivals, the world of drone racing, a short documentary that delves into the electrifying universe of drone racing hobby. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an exhilarating journey through the skies. Drone racing is not just the most latest hobby invented and adopted by people throughout the world. It's a groundbreaking phenomenon that's redefining the world of sports and technology. It's a fusion of high-speed thrills and competitive spirit, all while pushing the limits of drone capabilities. Let's start from the beginning. Drone racing involves piloting custom-built drones at astonishing speeds through intricate courses, often with the pilot's perspective in first-person view, FPV, through specialized goggles. At the heart of drone racing are highly skilled and fearless pilots who invest countless hours refining their abilities and optimizing their racing drones for peak performance. Each racing drone is a masterpiece of engineering, meticulously crafted for velocity, agility, and stability. With potent motors, featherweight frames, and precision controls, these machines are designed for one purpose: victory. What sets drone racing apart is the immersive thrill it provides. Pilots wear FPV goggles that offer a live feed from the drone's camera, granting them the ability to witness precisely what the drone sees. It's akin to stepping into the cockpit of a fighter jet, hurtling through the atmosphere at speeds that can surpass 100 miles per hour. The domain of drone racing has witnessed an explosion in popularity, with professional leagues like the Drone Racing League, DRL, and the International Drone Racing Association, IDRA, leading the charge. These leagues draw top-notch pilots from around the world, offering substantial cash prizes and global recognition. Here are some of the most renowned drone racing events: DRL Allianz World Championship, MultiGP Drone Racing Championship, IDRA World Championship, Red Bull Drone Racing, Cinehoop Racing, etc. More details are present in the video description, please refer to. If you're interested in learning more about drone racing and how to get started, there are several resources available to help you on your journey. You can be a member of online drone racing communities and join online forums and communities like RC Groups, FPV Lab, and the Drone Racing International FPV, DRI, Facebook group. These platforms are excellent for asking questions, sharing experiences, and getting advice from experienced pilots. You can explore organizations like the Drone Racing League, DRL, MultiGP, and the International Drone Racing Association, IDRA, for information, events, and resources. There are tons of YouTube tutorials and channels for this hobby. Some popular channels include UAV Futures, Joshua Bardwell, and Rotor Riot. There are several online courses, training programs, and books available. For example, books like FPV Drone Racing for Beginners by Lee Adams and Quadcopters and Drones, A Beginner's Guide to Successfully Flying and Choosing the Right Drone by Michael James can provide valuable insights. You can be a member of local drone racing clubs. There are drone racing magazines available for subscription. More details on resources are available in the video description, please refer. Remember that drone racing requires practice and patience. Start with the basics, understand the rules and regulations in your area, and gradually work your way up to more advanced techniques as you become more comfortable with flying and racing drones. The technology underpinning drone racing is in perpetual evolution. Pilots employ state-of-the-art equipment, from high-definition cameras and transmitters to precision flight controllers. Even the racing courses themselves are technologically advanced, featuring LED-lit gates and obstacles that challenge pilots to their utmost limits. Drone racing is not merely a sport, it's a global community of kindred spirits. From local racing clubs to international events, pilots come together to share their fervor for flight. It's a hobby that knows no boundaries, uniting individuals from diverse backgrounds. As drone technology advances, the future of drone racing shines brighter than ever before. Anticipate even faster drones, more immersive experiences, and greater mainstream acknowledgement. Whether you're an experienced pilot or someone considering taking flight for the first time, drone racing offers a pulse-pounding fusion of technology, competition, and sheer excitement. That brings us to the end of our voyage through the world of drone racing, where the sky is the playground, and the thrill knows no bounds. I trust this documentary has ignited your curiosity to explore this incredible hobby, either as a pilot or an enthusiast. Thank you for accompanying us on this exhilarating adventure through the skies. Keep your sights set on the horizon, and who knows? You might find yourself soaring among the stars with a racing drone of your own. If you found this documentary captivating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more heart-pounding content. Until next time, happy racing, and may your flights be as smooth as they are electrifying.